Let's talk hair growth. Today's Bible verse is Psalm 8, verse 3 to 4. When I consider your heavens, the work of your fingers, the moon and the stars, which you have set in place, what is mankind that you are mindful of them? Human beings that you care for them. Hello, lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, so today we are going to talk about one of the main thing people talk about when it comes to natural hair keeping. I know, right? We all want to grow our hair to waist length, or to even floor length. Look at this oil infused with herbs. It's giving rich vibes, full of so much richness and nutrients. Wow, look at that green from all the herbs. Wow, this is amazing. Okay, so before we start, let me just say this. It's not enough to go chasing after things that will help your hair grow quickly when you do not practice good hair care. Did you know actually that our hair grows at least half an inch every month? So what is happening? Even if you don't use these oils, your hair is still growing, but we don't see it because we are not keeping our hair well enough to maintain the growth. So our hair is always breaking, shedding off, etc. So as we learn about these herbs that can stimulate faster hair growth, let's also practice good hair care so that our hair will not only grow, but it will become more beautiful and gorgeous. Okay, let's get into it. So we are going to start with a tablespoon of hibiscus leaves or flowers, which promotes hair growth. Then you come in with a tablespoon of rosemary and a tablespoon of cloves. Who can give us the tree name for cloves? Just type it in the comment section. So these are the three herbs you're going to use. Now you see me pouring in my coconut oil. Just pour as much as you want to your heart's desire. And then when you're done with the coconut oil, you pour in your olive oil. You just pour a cup of coconut oil and half a cup of olive oil. We are going to infuse these oils with the herbs. There are so many ways to do the infusion. Okay, one is to just pour them in a saucepan and then fry on low heat for about 30 minutes. Or you can do a double boiler system. That is, you put your jar in boiling water and then let it boil for a while. In this video, we are going to do the double boiler system. So before we get into that, if this is your first time on my channel, you are welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can get a notification anytime we upload a new video. And if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. So after we are done pouring our olive oil, you get your double boiler, boil the water, let it boil, and then put your jar in it and cover your jar. Let it boil for about 5 minutes. Open up and then stir, and then you cover, let it boil for another 10 minutes, and you are good to go. When that is done, you leave your jar overnight if you prefer, or you can let it cool down and immediately strain it. There, I left it overnight because I wanted to get all the aroma and everything really infused. So I left it overnight, and then I got myself this nice strainer. Get yourself any strainer from the kitchen, and then strain your oil, and then get any bottle and pour it in for storage. Do you see this? This is beautiful. This is amazing. So you just have to apply your oil 2 to 3 times weekly on your hair and your scalp, and then you will see amazing results. Thank you so much for watching my video. Till I see you in my next video, stay safe, be kind, love all, and remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.